Hello. So I'm just out on one of my walks and having a few interesting thoughts that I wanted to get down on video and perhaps share with some of you. The thing I wanted to talk about is the mind of nature. Something that I've been experiencing the really strong distinctions between the kind of mind, psyche, body, organism that I inhabit when I'm in my apartment compared to when I'm out here in nature, and it's so substantially different. I feel like the pace of starting my own practice and chasing all these possibilities, I really have to step back from that and get out here and connect with the more than human world. And it's crazy. If you can really tune into it, you start to get a sense of just how much we live in an alien world. And it's fascinating, and it's a lot like James Cameron's Avatar. And it's a kind of beauty that is sustaining for me. It's a really deep relationship that I developed during some very difficult, traumatic periods of my life. And there's just such a moreness to it in terms of the insights, the understanding that comes from giving your mind over, giving your perception over to the birds and the trees, the rivers, and allowing yourself to almost be constituted by what you give your attention to. When I sit in front of a river and I really give myself over to it, it's as if I become the river. My mind is made more fluid. There's a shift in possibility. And so this is the same principle for me of getting out here with the birds and the trees. It's a different consciousness, and it makes me feel a whole lot better. And it stirs up a lot of interesting thoughts. So I'm going to leave it at that, but thanks for listening.